Welcome to this tutorial on why use Wells Fargo mobile banking. In this guide, we will walk you through the benefits and features of mobile banking and how it can make managing your finances easier and more convenient. First, let's start with the basics. Mobile banking allows you to access your bank accounts and conduct financial transactions using your mobile device. With Wells Fargo mobile banking, you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. One of the main advantages of mobile banking is convenience. You can access your accounts and conduct transactions from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have a mobile device and internet connection. This means you can avoid waiting in line at a bank branch or ATM, and manage your finances on the go. Another benefit of mobile banking is security. Wells Fargo mobile banking uses advanced security measures, such as encryption and two-factor authentication, to protect your accounts and personal information. You can also set up alerts and notifications to inform you of any suspicious activity on your accounts. In addition to convenience and security, mobile banking also offers a range of features that can help you manage your finances more effectively. For example, you can use the Wells Fargo mobile app to track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. To get started with Wells Fargo mobile banking, you will need to download the mobile app and enroll in online banking. Once you have enrolled, you can log into the app using your username and password, and start managing your finances on the go. Best practices for using mobile banking include setting up alerts and notifications, monitoring your accounts regularly, and keeping your mobile device and app up to date. It's also a good idea to use strong passwords and keep your login credentials secure. In conclusion, Wells Fargo mobile banking offers a convenient, secure, and feature-rich way to manage your finances on the go. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using mobile banking to simplify your financial life and achieve your financial goals.